all of you. So we are going to have this second National Thermal Spray Conference during 21st to 23rd February 2025. Actually, this conference is a biannual event. The first of this event was held in Jodhpur in 2023, and this is the second conference in that series. And this conference is now being jointly organized by this institute, that is CSIR Institute of Minerals and Materials Technology, along with the Indian Thermal Spray Association. And this conference will be attended by researchers, academia and industry people from not only within the country but also from abroad. And here about 400 delegates will be participating, and about 22 delegates are coming from abroad. And there will be discussion about how this thermal spray coating technology can be used for different sectors. For example, the aerospace sector, the naval sector, the defense sector, the energy sector, the mining and metallurgical sector, which is the main thrust of this institute. So, in these sectors, the equipments or the components which are being used, they get wear and tear with uses. And thermal spray is a very important technology to provide coating so that this wear and tear of these components can be prevented effectively. And moreover, for industries like oil and gas industries, the corrosion is one of the very prominent issue. Okay, so India loses about 3 to 4% of its GDP because of this corrosion issue. So this thermal spray coating technology is a very important technology to mitigate that corrosion problems also. So it was with this objective that this conference is being held, and here most importantly we are going to have the who's who in the field of this coating technology, particularly the thermal spray coating technology, and very eminent guests will be gracing this occasion, namely our Honorable Governor of Odisha will be coming, and the Science and Technology Minister, and also there will be Director of IIT Patna, and also there are many professors, renowned professors, not only from India, from IIT Chennai, IIT Delhi, but also from abroad. And preceding this conference from 21st to 23rd, on 20th February, we are also going to have what is called a one-day workshop for students. Students will be given basic training on these technology by eminent experts from India and abroad. So they will get to know about the basic fundamentals of the technology, how it can be implemented in these different sectors. Okay, and so starting from the fundamental to application to its implication, all the fields will be covered in this conference. So we are hoping that there will be a lot of discussions, lot of interactions, and also it is a good medium. It will form a very foundation for interaction and collaborative efforts, because nowadays whatever research that we do in the lab, so unless there is a multi-institutional collaboration, the technology development is not complete. So we cannot work in silo nowadays. We have to work in collaboration with other institutes, other industries, so that we come up with the required technology. So we are looking forward to this technology eagerly, and we look forward, and we are really very thankful to all of you for coming here. And
outside, let me extend a hearty welcome to all of you for covering this event. This National Thermal Spray Conference being a very unique in the sense as my colleague Dr. Besra pointed out, as you see in any industry, be it in Odisha or worldwide, there is degradation of material and its failure due to surface and environment interaction. So it's very pertinent to apply different kind of functional coatings, and to do so there are various techniques available, and this thermal spray is one of the very versatile technique being used, be it in aerospace, be it in automobile, be it in textile, be it in power plant, be it in any biomedical application. So today if you look at the industrial application and a solution to their problem, so thermal spray comes up as a new avenue. And also there are a lot of advancement have been undergone in last couple of decades, and this unique opportunity, or you can say this conference brings us a unique platform for all those technologists, R&D professionals, students, young researchers to come up and find out what is the new problems and solution to new problems, and what can be the fostering new collaboration with India. And let me tell you, the thermal spray research, if you see the market today in India, it's very bright. It's being valued at around $500 million, $500 million USD, and its growth rate is almost CSIR at 7.5. So I can tell you that this conference, of course, sir has told you about all those delegates, and let me tell you, the International Thermal Spray Society and its president-elect Komal Paul is coming, and with most of the pioneers in this field like Professor Christopher Grant from Australia, from Professor Tanvir Hussain from UK, Professor Selko from Czech Republic, and all this from Germany, from all across the globe. 22 foreign pioneers are coming to the state of Odisha, and I am sure that with the kind of deliberation that they will undertake, with the help of industry panelists and stuff like that, it will be very fruitful for the coming years, for the betterment of our Indian, of course, problems to work with. And let me tell you, there is a special session of panel discussion we will undertake with all those R&D experts around the globe, be it IOCL, be it HL, Bangalore. So all those people are coming to a common platform to exchange their idea how to bring out innovation from different objectives. So that's how things are planned out, and this NTSC is the second in series, and this NTSC will cover plenary sessions, keynote lectures, invited lectures, contributory lectures from students, and poster presentations, and there is an expo. They will showcase their capabilities, and by doing so, they will try to exchange their own idea and come up with viable solutions for the thermal spray market. And of course, I welcome you all to come to His Excellency Honorable Governor of Odisha will be blessing us with our Honorable Science and Technology Cabinet Minister, and as well as Honorable Industry Minister in the inaugural event, and that will be followed by highly enriched technical sessions and stuff like that. Thank you once again for coming. Yeah. So, in fact,
this institute drive, because this is our Diamond Jubilee year. So, second year consecutively, we are celebrating our Diamond Jubilee year, and this conference is also one of the part of our Diamond Jubilee celebration. We are trying to bring in the very good, because you know, last decade is a decade of Odisha. We are also getting industrialization, plus we are also getting good institution. And if you want to have a good institution to run in a proper manner, you should hold this type of conferences. These conferences not only bring technology to the people, but also educate that how to carry research. Also encourage the research scholar at this place or research scholar at other place.
They will get international exposure.
They will really international exposure.
Yes.
And all of you know very well that why today electronic, that print media is superseded by electronic and visual media. So therefore this exhibition also we are creating, that right now paint means you are happy with your car, that your car, that painting whatever you are buying, the costliest part of your car is your painting. Each one high-end car takes almost more than 1 lakh rupees or 85,000 for painting in 4 stages. So coating is specialized. I told you that you require thinner layer, so your weight should be less. So your petrol consumption will be less. So lightweight car, fuel efficient car, non-corroding fuel tank, non-corroding engine. And today you see we are looking for aerospace engine. That India wants to become Atmanirbhar or Bixer into the defense sector. And in defense sector, why we were not that much Atmanirbhar? Because these were the high-end technology. So you require, suppose you are taking engine, your engine is aluminum engine. So aluminum engine, it will not be getting the coating what general paint does. So that place, this type of thermal spray coating, CVD coating, PVD coating, and where coating gives uniformity. Therefore, this is the latest trend of technology, starting from the strategic sector to the aerospace sector, to the automobile sector, and lower end of this coating is good for corrosion protection in VR. You are running a steel plant, you are running any machinery in the lathe machine and all. So inside thinner coating will come, so that will give good lubrication. It will not get, so that type of systems are there.
Sir, is any MOU going to be signed?
The 8th laboratory in the country. Our National Aerospace Laboratory, Bangalore, is in the very high in the aerospace sector. But definitely in aerospace, that our research group led by Dr. Pesra and Mantri is looking into that aspect, that we are working with HAM. We are working with NAL to giving material, because any technology, any thermal spray technology will require material. Material is key, and India is importing most of the material. So our people are trying to make materials at this place, and it will be sprayed. Since you talked about MOU, definitely we are going to sign MOU first with IIT Patna. That we want to bring in the culture of other states, culture of different technology. If we are thinking that our Odisha, we are going to celebrate 100 years of Odisha in 2036 and Viksit Bharat in 2047. So all our ideas, all our roadmap, all our research direction is going towards that.